Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. In this video, I'm going to be looking at whether or not you may be eligible to bring a claim for compensation if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a back injury. I'll be taking a look at whether or not you can claim, along with how we recommend that you begin the process of claiming, as well as how much your back injury may be worth, as we take a look at our compensation injury amounts table. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Back injuries can not only be extremely painful, but they also have the potential to have a huge impact on how a person goes about their day-to-day life, from their work to their general mobility. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a back injury, whether it was a road traffic accident, a workplace accident, or even a slip, trip or fall, if the accident was caused due to the negligence of someone else, then you may be entitled to compensation. So that's whether or not you may be eligible. But how do you go about bringing a claim for a back injury? Well, we strongly recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with back injury compensation claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk not only offers a no-win, no-fee service, which means that there's no upfront fees, and if your case was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. But we are also happy to offer you a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through your case with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, by calling our free phone helpline, which is 0800 652 7676, or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. If you're wondering, personal injury compensation, how much compensation may I get? Well, we'll be happy to go over back injury compensation examples and look at the average compensation for back injury car accident to help demonstrate personal injury compensation levels, as well as use our soft tissue injury compensation calculator to help you establish how much you may be entitled to, as the figures that we'll shortly be going over will be for your injuries alone and do not include any additional sums for things like loss of income from time off work, any medical expenses or care costs, the cost of any trips made in relation to your injury, and any other expenses associated with your back injury. Now we're going to be taking a look at how much your injuries may be worth when claiming compensation by taking a look at our back injury compensation claim amount table. So we have in front of us the table for back injury compensation claim amounts, and in the top 3 categories, these are all severe categories for different types of back injuries and different levels of severity. At the top one, you could expect to receive anything from £72,620 all the way up to £128,320. For the second category, you could expect to receive anything from £59,120 all the way up to £70,490. And then for the third category, you could expect to receive anything from £30,910 all the way up to £55,590. Then we have 2 moderate categories. For the first one, you could expect to receive anything from £22,130 all the way up to £30,910. Then for the second moderate category, you could expect to receive anything from £9,970 all the way up to £22,130. Then finally, we have 3 minor categories. You could expect to receive anything from £6,290 all the way up to £9,970 for the first minor category. Then you could expect to receive anything from £1,950 all the way up to £6,290 for the second minor category. And finally, the third minor category, you could expect to receive anything up to £1,950. I'd like to emphasise that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as an award for the injury itself, and does not include the amount of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred or may incur as part of your compensation sum, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same. And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no win, no fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.